Why protein matters on GLP-1 and GIP therapies. Have you noticed that people on GLP-1 and GIP therapies are always talking about protein? Why is protein so important? And what happens if you don't get enough? Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome back to this channel. I'm so happy to be with you. My name is Twiki. If you are new here, welcome. And on this channel, we are learning about GLP-1 and GIP therapies in a simple, practical way so that we can understand it. In my previous videos, we've talked about how these therapies work inside of our bodies, their benefits, and some common side effects. Now, oh my gosh, I had side effects when I took the peptides, nausea and diarrhea together, and I stopped the peptides. Today we are discussing one of the most important topics of all, and it's protein and why protein is so important. As always, remember, I'm not a doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only. So please consult your healthcare provider regarding your own health needs. I cannot help you with that. I'm not a professional. So why does protein matter and why it's so important? One reason is that people eat less while using GLP-1 and GIP therapies. Because the appetite is often reduced, it can become harder to consume enough nutrients, and we do need those nutrients. We cannot go without those nutrients. It's very important because that will keep your body healthy. Protein helps support muscles, your organs, your bones, and your overall health. And another reason protein is important is that it helps you to feel satisfied. Protein is known to be filling, which can help support healthy eating habits and stable energy levels throughout the day. You won't feel tired or you won't have fatigue. Getting enough protein might also help support muscle mass during weight loss. And that is very important because we want to lose the body fat, but we want to keep the muscle mass. When people lose weight, the goal is usually to lose body fat while maintaining as much muscle as possible, and that is very important. That's one reason healthcare professionals often encourage adequate protein intake, which is very important. Don't leave the protein. You must understand this. So what are simple protein-rich foods? For the examples includes eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, low fat, cottage cheese, low fat, lean meat, beans, lentil, protein shakes, protein smoothies. Oh, I just love a smoothie. I cannot stay away from a smoothie. For some people, smoothies can be an easy way to increase protein intake, especially if the appetite is low. And I just love my smoothies. Oh gosh, I love it. What happens if you don't get enough protein? Some people may feel more tired, struggle to stay full between meals, or they find it difficult to meet their nutritional needs. And we do need nutrients. We do need them. That's why planning ahead can be helpful. Many people focus on protein first when preparing meals and snacks, and that is very important. Protein first on the top of the list when preparing your meals and snacks when you are on GLP-1 or GIP or following a GLP-1 and GIP diet. One thing I've learned through my own health journey is that small daily choices add up over time. We don't have to be perfect. We simply need to make the next healthy choice and keep moving forward. Protein isn't about chasing perfectionism. No, it's about giving your body the nourishment it needs to support your goals and overall well-being. In the next video, we're going to talk about hydration, electrolytes, and why taking enough water is so important on GLP-1 and GIP therapies. And oh gosh, is it difficult to take water in the winter. I struggle with that. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe it with someone who might benefit from it. And remember, don't forget to download your free PDF GLP-1 and GIP introduction guide. The link is in the description of this video below. So use it, download it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, protein, 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 nutrients, nutrients, nutrients. It's very important. Bye-bye.